Goqii Vital 3.0 band launched with ability to measure body temperature. Goqii Vital 3.0 Smart Band is the latest fitness wearables from Goqii. The Smart Band includes features that can track and measure heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep. The Vital 3.0 band is also capable of tracking body temperature that the company believes is going to be a breakthrough in detecting early COVID-19 symptoms. One of the early symptoms of COVID-19 is the sudden rise in body temperature. To check the accuracy of early detection of COVID-19, Goqii has collaborated German health tech company, Thrive. The company said that the trials are underway and the results are expected in the next 6 months. Goqii Vital 3.0 Smart Band, Price, Availability. Goqii Vital 3.0 is priced at 3,999 rupees in India. The Smart Band is currently up for pre-booking on Goqii India site, and the company in a note stated that the Vital 3.0 will soon be available to purchase via Amazon and Flipkart. It was also added that the Smart Band will be available in India in phases. Goqii Vital 3.0 will be available in India in phases and on an immediate basis for the frontline workers, government and private enterprises, and some units will be available for the public, the company said in a statement. Goqii Vital 3.0 Smart Band, Specifications. The Goqii Vital 3.0 Smart Band features a colored display and is waterproof. The company claims that a single charge can provide up to a week of battery life. Users can also receive messages, calls, along with other notifications on the Smart Band. The Goqii Vital 3.0 band can be operated and managed via the Goqii app. Additionally, the Smart Band is capable of tracking all-day activities such as steps, distance, and calories burned. The key highlight of the band is the thermal sensor that can detect body temperature. The temperature ranges between 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit with an accuracy of +/0.3 degree Fahrenheit. Goqii with this feature hopes to detect the early symptom of COVID-19. The company has also collaborated with German health tech startup Thrive to conduct a clinical study in India to check the accuracy of early detection of COVID-19 using the wearable. The Goqii Vital 3.0 can also track and monitor blood pressure, heart rate, and sleep. There's also an exercise mode on the band. The company also added that users on purchasing the Goqii Vital 3.0 will get 12 months of Goqii Play subscription and 3 months of Goqii Health Coach subscription. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.